Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how to enhance image quality in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So before getting started, I need to duplicate this background layer. After this, I'll head to my image size. So I'll now click here. So once you get here, you leave everything at pixels. So here you leave it at pixel, then here pixel, and here pixel inch. So after doing that, you now set the resolution to 400. Then you now preserve details enlargement. So after that, you now reduce the noise to 100. So once you're done with this, you hit OK. Then you now get to your filter. Then you click on unsharp mask. So after clicking on unsharp mask, the amount you leave it at 80, the radius you leave it at 10, and this you leave it at 16. So you just hit OK. So after that, I'll now head back to my filter, then I'll get to order, then I'll add my IPass. So IPass, I'm going to add 0.5. So once you click that, you now hit OK, and you now come to the blending mode, you change it to linear light. So this is how to enhance your image. You can see the before and after of it. So thank you guys. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment, and also share for your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.